This is Mohammed Sadiq. In this particular video, we learn how to we create a text chart. So, Jenny, what is a text chart? So, when I talk about a text chart, is a chart which represents your data in the form of a text. And when you see here, the higher the size text, and again, each text is representing the dimension, and the size of the text is representing the value that it holds for. So like example, when you see the New York City is done the highest sales and compared to this particular Seattle and the Los Angeles. Now this is a text chart. We will see how do we create this kind of a text chart in Tableau. If I have to create, let me create a new sheet. Okay, since I want to create a text chart, so I'll just select the field. Okay, that is one of the, what is it, dimension. So I want to create this based on the city wise. I'll just select the city. I'll drag and drop it onto the text, and I just drag, so you can see it shows me all the cities for which the sales have happened. Now I want to display this particular each city is based on the size has to be done based on the sales that is being done. So what I will do, I'll just get into the measures. I have a sales field. I'll just select the sales and drag and drop it to the what is it, size. So now what happens, you create a chart something like this, which looks like a tree map chart. Okay, now I need to convert this because you have too many cities here, so it is becomes very difficult to identify which cities what is the sales is being done. So what I will do is I'll just convert this to a chart type. So we can see here in this particular marks, I'll just convert this particular type to the text. So from this particular marks card and converting this to the text type, and then as soon as I convert this, you can see it just gets converted to the text type. So where we can see that New York has the highest sales. Now I want to see show this particular each city with a different color. So what I will do again is I'll just select this particular city field, drag and drop it into the colors field. As soon as I drag, so you can see each city will be shown with a different color. Now, and you can see there are many cities for the sales which has happened. So now they can see there are many sales cities where the sales is very low, even 10, 4 and single digit or very small values and all. I want to put in kind of apply. I don't want to see all the cities. I want to see only the cities which has done the minimum sales of at least say 10,000. Okay, so I want to apply some kind of a filter. So if I want to apply the filter, I just select again the sales and drag and drop into the filters. As soon as I drag, so we have this particular measures filter. Okay, this data what we are representing is nothing but the sum of sales. So from this filter, I'll select the sum. I'll just say next. I get the filter, and there here I'll just say minimum sales of say around 20,000. Okay, so I can just say roughly around 20,000. Okay, and I'll just say apply. Say okay. So that means these are the cities where the minimum sum of sales was 20,000 at least. And out of that comparison, when you see again, the New York has done the highest sales. So Los Angeles is followed with that. So when you see here, New York has done almost 2.5 lakhs sales. Okay. And this is like 1.75 lakhs sales and so on. So this is how we create the chart.